KMC Workbench is a Niagara 4-based software solution to serve small to large-scale building automation systems. KMC Workbench provides the integration power of a Niagara-based framework and is equipped with the latest KMC Converge tools to make programming KMC BACnet devices easy and intuitive, all integrated into the standard Workbench application. KMC Controls' unique implementation of extending virtual-based objects to access programming embedded within the device makes configuration and editing programs seamless within the Workbench client application. KMC Workbench 4.9 comes with the KMC Converge toolset 4.3.1.38 preloaded in the software. All you need to do to get started is run the easy installation tool and follow the readme.txt file in the folder labeled KMC Support Files. For more information on KMC Workbench, check out the other videos in the series or contact your KMC sales representative. And to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.